Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be removing my harness out of my 1999 Subaru Impreza 2.5 RS to get ready for the EJ205 swap. Except for this is about a year in the future. So this is a spoiler. You're not supposed to see this. Don't tell anybody else, okay? Thanks. I want to consider this my first video on Gas Hole Garage. I don't know if that name's gonna stick quite yet, but I do actually have two other videos, but this is the first one since the channel is reborn. If you guys have any questions throughout the video, let me know. Feature me again. Another quick note, if you guys are gonna be going through iWire like I did, you no longer need your harness from your donor car like I have here. They no longer take them. They make their own, and that being said, it is way more expensive. It's not like 4 years ago when I was first planning to do the swap and it was like $700 to get your harness merged. I think I spent like $1,600. Keep that in mind. Would definitely recommend still going through them. Either way, they do a great job. But just want to let you guys know, so you don't waste time pulling out a harness from another car. You only need to take your harness from the car you're going to be swapping into, like I do in this video. So yeah. I might use, actually I'm gonna use this for a thumbnail quick, so I'm gonna keep this necklace on. But yeah, enjoy the video. It's really satisfying, pretty funny, and Mabel's in it, so you can't really beat that. Enjoy. You guys probably haven't met Mabel yet. I've had you for a year now. Yeah. She's tired because it's probably like 1 in the morning, 2 in the morning. What the fuck am I listening to? $12 is gone, and $12 is gone. 2 12s are gone. What?
NANI?!
Yes! Oh yeah. Oh yeah!
Ow! You're hurting me!
Oh no! Hose. We don't care about no hose. What the fuck? Sponsored by beer. Oh! Oh! There she is. The harness. nice. Very nice, brain. Use the John Wick clips too, Mabel. These suck. They hurt my fingers so much. Mabel, can you get it? Can you get it? Ooh. Ooh. Got it. My fingers are dirty. Yes. Put her goddamn there. Good girl. Get the flag. Kill him. Oh. Oh. The only time this car's ever been in another shop, my alarm wouldn't quit going off. It was really annoying the guy, so he just snipped it. I think this was where it was. Like this. Yeah. Oh. That's it, right? I think that's it. I think we're out. Good job, Mabel. Good job, Mabel. She's eating all the flies. How's this going on? Oh. Oops. Oh shit, okay, that's it. It just slides off. Why am I trying to slide it back on? I don't understand. Hi. Ew. How the hell? Oh, that shit broke. No, it didn't. This looks weird. Oh. It's all of them. You gotta pull those wires through for me, okay? Three strikes! You're out of here! Okay. You're out of here! It's out. It's out. Where should I put this thing, Mabel? Sure. Nice. Bulkhead harness out of my 1999 Subaru. I'm gay. Me again. Ha ha. The channel is reborn.